If this world is wearing thin and you're thinking of escape, I'll go anywhere with you. Just wrap me up in chains. But if you try to go alone, don't think I'll understand. Silence of your room, in the darkness of your dreams. 'Cause when your part is on the floor, I'll make you beg for more. Stay with me. You better hope and pray that you make it safe to your own world. Oh, you better hope and pray that you wake one day in your own world. Oh, stay with me.
David, what did you make of that?
Well, your voice is absolutely incredible. It's world class. It's so haunting, and I just want to hear you sing more and more songs. There's something incredibly special about you. You have a God-given talent. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Henrietta, I absolutely love your voice. I think it's jazzy, it's bluesy. I think you sang the hell out of that song, and your voice is so powerful. But to me, as an artist right now, you just look a little bit unrecognisable. You know, in terms of the music that you should be doing, I don't feel like that song is suited to you. But you could probably sing the phone book. But I think you probably should be doing more bluesy, jazzy kind of records and look younger and cooler. I just think you look a bit dated, and it just didn't work for me on all cylinders. Sorry.
There is no doubt that you have a very strong, powerful voice, but I actually think your voice is an acquired taste. I think there are moments when it's fantastic, and then there are moments when it's almost sort of too much, and the tone of it, for me, isn't something that I would want to continue listening to, if I'm being really honest.
See, I'm just not with that song. Yeah.
Okay, Simon?
I don't know why, for some reason, all the singers are standing on boxes and things tonight. We should ban those. I've got to be honest with you, Henrietta. This is the first act I've seen tonight where I've seen real potential. I think, honestly, I thought you were in a completely different league to everything we've seen and heard so far. It was all looking a little bit like some sort of weird holiday camp show. No disrespect. But you come out, it was a great song, you sang it really well, you got a fantastic voice. I know what the girls are saying, you know, you look a little bit dated, but that's not your fault. You've got a real talent, and I think you're going to do really well tonight.